We received this beautiful, heavy gift basket from Cracker Barrel, and I am going to open it up so that you guys can see what's inside. We wanted to send a few of our favorites to bring a little Southern charm right to your home from your friends at Cracker Barrel and Country Living. Thank you so much. Okay, we got, let's start with these. Oh, cute. Got matching mugs for me and George. These are from Country Living as well. Mason jar mugs. I love it. Cute, right? Okay. There's that. Put that right there. Okay. And then what else? We have a kitchen towel. You can always do, oh, this one's pretty. Pretty. That's a very pretty. I got, oh, what's this? An oblong scarf from the Country Living apparel collection. And there's 3 different ways you can wear it. You see that? Cute, right? I might try this out later. Very cute. Okay, and then salt and pepper set. That is so cute. Salt and pepper set. Thank you. So cute. And then this one is super heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is very heavy. This is a Country Living Blue Ribbon Kitchen cast iron skillet. And it's 10.25 inches. Whoa, it's heavy. Check out the back. Pretty, right? Pretty. Like, seriously. So heavy. And what's this? Oh, I think this is another kitchen towel. Yep. So I've got a matching set of kitchen towels to go together. That's so cute. I can't wait to start putting it in my kitchen. And this awesome magazine. This is the January to February issue of Country Living, and I am going to read it because I love this, like the whole shabby chic farmhouse vintage style. That's totally my jam. I love it. Okay,